So, students, we are going to start with lesson 8, winds, storms and cyclones. Students, if you remember, few years back, there was a cyclone, right? It hit the Odisha. In India, it hit Odisha. In the year, I think it was 1999. Okay, when the cyclone it hit Odisha, so what happened? So many people they died in lakhs. So many people lost their homes. They become homeless. So after few days, after few days, again the cyclone hit the same state. Again, there were a lot of people who became homeless, right? So, why this happened? Why cyclone was there? So, bache, first of all, we have to understand that all these things they are occurring due to air. Wind, it is due to air. Storm, it is due to air. Cyclone, it is due to air. Bache, actually, the when wind moves, yes, Akul, right. When wind moves, so it is with different speeds. And when the speed of the air, it changes, different things happens. Sometimes it is wind when it is blowing gently. When it is blowing at a very high speed, it forms storm. And when the speed exceeds the limit, it becomes cyclone. We have to study all the details in the chapter. Before studying this, we have to read the properties of air. We have to go through the properties of air. आपने 5th 6th में करी होंगी. Air occupies space. You remember? We did by taking a vessel tub filled with water, then we invert a tumbler over it. You remember that activity? Then we said that this inverted tumbler, there is no water going inside it, and when we invert it, tilt it little bit, then the bubbling sound was produced and the water enters the tumbler. You remember that activity? There we proved air occupies space. Then next property, air has mass. We also proved this activity. You fill a balloon and then weigh it. Now deflate the balloon. Now weigh it. There is difference in the weight. Why there is difference? Because there is the inflated balloon, it has more weight. Why? What is filled inside it? Air. Due to air, it has weight. These two though we have already proved in previous classes. Right? Now coming to next, third activity. Air exerts pressure. Air exerts pressure. Remember this activity? Shayad I guess we had done in 5th also. Jisme we took the water in a glass, then invert it on the cardboard, right? And then we remove the cardboard slowly and water does not go out. Water does not pour out. Then we said it is due to air pressure, right? So air exert pressure. But today in this class, again, we will prove it with some other activities, right? And fourth activity that we have to prove today is air expands on heating. Air expands on heating, right? Again, we have to prove this. These four activities, these four properties of air are there. Two we had already proved in previous classes. These two we have to prove now. First of all, we will be taking air exerts pressure. Bache, how to prove this activity? Very simple. You can do it at your home, but in the presence of your elders. What you have to do? Take a tin can. Can लेना है आपने. अनवे, मैम एयर ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस को कैसे प्रूव किया था? अनवे जी, यू फॉरगेट वी टुक अ वेसल फिल्ड विद वाटर, देन वी इन्वर्ट अ टम्बलर ओवर इट, वाटर डज नॉट गो इनसाइड. अनवे एक्सर्ट प्रेशर मैं करवा रही हूं. प्लीज पे अटेंशन हियर. आई एम डूइंग दिस एक्टिविटी. What you have to do? Take a tin can. ठीक है? Now fill water in it. Okay. Now put it on the burner. Let me raise this. Then I can show you. Excuse me. हम क्या प्रूव कर रहे हैं? Air exerts pressure. Take a tin can. Right? Fill it with water. Now heat the water. How will you heat this water? On a flame using a burner. Right? We are heating it. Right? This is a burner. This is a tin can. This is water. Right? Now, what happens is, when it starts boiling, what will happen? Steam is formed. When steam is formed, what will happen? Remove this tin can from the burner and cover it using a lid. इसको कवर कर दो. Screw its cap tightly. Now what is happening is, here is a hot water or steam. Now immediately pour some fresh water on it. Here I am pouring fresh water on this can. When I pour fresh water, इसके बाद मैंने ये किया. When I will pour fresh water, what will happen? This was the can with water. Look here, everything is given in your book. The shape of the can will be distorted. This will be the shape of the can. ऐसे. The shape of the can will be distorted. मतलब उसकी शेप खराब हो जाएगी. Distorted shape. Why? Now the question is, yes, Yashika Datta, I am answering why this happens. Because when we heat this water, it becomes steam, gas, air. Now this air, it is exerting a pressure from inside on the walls of the can. ये pressure लगा रही है. And the pressure of the air is also there. ये बाहर से भी pressure लग रहा है. No, Hardik, we don't have to open the lid. This pressure from outside the tin can, the pressure exerted by air is known as atmospheric pressure. ये जो air का pressure लग रहा है, it is known as atmospheric pressure. Right? हार्दिक वाटर अंदर नहीं डालना. राइट? टिन कैन है, बंद है, इसके ऊपर ही मैंने खोला है इसको, इसके ऊपर ही हमने फ्रेश वाटर डालना है या कोल्ड वाटर डालना है. राइट? तो उसकी शेप डिस्टॉर्ट हो जाएगी. अब मैं उसका रीजन बता रही हूं. व्हेन वी हीट इट, व्हाट हैपन? द एयर इनसाइड इट, द स्टीम इनसाइड इट, it is exerting pressure on the walls. of the can. In the same way, atmospheric pressure from outside is also exerted. That is equal, right? So the shape remains this. But immediately, if we add cold water, what will happen? Here, inside जो steam थी, it will condense. Steam will condense. When steam will condense, now it will become water. Now the pressure inside reduces. अंदर pressure कम हो गया. And the atmospheric pressure, it is more. अब ये ज्यादा हो गया. This atmospheric pressure, it distorts the shape. Got it? This pressure, it distorts the shape. Yes, Hardik, there are water vapors. That is gas. Water vapor क्या है? Steam क्या है? That is gas. In other words, air. Got it? Right? So it shows air is exerting pressure. Right? Okay, I am giving you few more examples. Kite fly करिए. जब आप kite fly करते हो, boys especially, आपको ज्यादा पता होता है in which direction the kite will fly. If the wind is coming from the opposite direction, will the kite fly? And if you are flying the kite in the direction of the wind, it is easy for you to fly the kite. Now you are cycling. Cycling to everyone is doing. So if you are cycling in the direction of the wind, right, it is easy for you. But if wind is coming from the opposite direction, is cycling easy or difficult? Difficult. Why? Because wind is also exerting pressure on you. Right? This atmospheric pressure, it is more on you. So it becomes difficult for you to overcome that pressure. Got my point? In the same way, sailboats. Sailors sailboat चलाते हैं, right? Very much easy to row a sailboat. Very good, Lavish. मैं वही बता रही हूँ. If you are sailing the boat in the direction of the wind, it is easy for you to sail it, to row it. But if you are going in the opposite direction of the wind, then it is very difficult because you have to overcome the atmospheric pressure. Clear? So I have proved this activity. Air exerts pressure. Now students, next activity, same in Activa. Bache, in Activa, you don't have to put more energy because it is machine. But if there is strong wind, then you have to overcome that pressure also. वो आपके ऊपर pressure डाल रही है. Right? Okay. Now बच्चे एक और activity आपको करवानी है. That is second activity जो मैंने बोला था, we will be proving. Air expands on heating and contracts on cooling. In your NCERTs, these activities are given in a very well form. Okay? बहुत अच्छे से दी हुई हैं. If you will learn these or if you will go through these, you will understand all the concepts very clearly. Now, fourth activity I am going to prove, that is air expands on heating. Expands का क्या meaning होता है? Air expands on heating and contracts on cooling. Expand मतलब बढ़ना, contract मतलब कम होना, right? सुंगड़ना, decrease in size. Expand means increase in size, right? Body spread, right? How we will prove the activity? I have brought few things here to do this activity. Look, I have taken these things. क्या है ये? Test tubes. Test tubes की जो necks है, I have covered their necks with these balloons. These are two inflated balloons. Now what I will do, this is hot water, hot boiling water. You can see the steam. if you are able to see. I am putting one here, right? I am keeping it aside. And the one is cold water. For 2 to 3 minutes, we have to keep it, right? Then what will happen? For 2 to 3 minutes, just we have to see. Let us wait. For 2 to 3 minutes, just for 2 to 3 minutes. Just wait, beta. Yes. ये देखिए. Look at the difference. ये इन्फ्लेट हो रहा है हॉट वाटर वाला, ठीक है. ये बलून फूल रहा है. एंड लुक एट दिस, ये तो बिल्कुल वैसे ही पड़ा. लुक एट द कंडीशन ऑफ दिस बलून. ये कोल्ड वाटर था, चिल्ड वाटर, राइट. अगर आप क्लास में होते तो इट वुड हैव बीन बेटर, क्योंकि आपको इजीली ऑब्जर्व होता. एंड फॉर हॉट वाटर यू कैन सी दिस. ये देखिए कैसे डाला आपने बच्चे. आई हैव सिंपली व्हाट आई हैव डन, बलून को हमने इन्फ्लेट कर दिया. ये देखो, दिस इज अ टेस्ट ट्यूब. मैं निकालती हूँ, ये फुला हुआ है अभी भी. ये देखिए, दिस इज अ टेस्ट ट्यूब हार्दिक, एंड दिस इज अ बलून. सिंपली आई पुट इट. आप घर पे भी करके देख सकते हो. ये लो, और इसको मैंने गर्म पानी में रख दिया, और दूसरी टेस्ट ट्यूब को मैंने ठंडे पानी में रख दिया, राइट. हार्दिक, आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. Yes, Akul, very right, very right. This balloon, which we have kept in the hot water, it will inflate. Why? Because the water which was hot, uski steam nikal rahi hai, it is air. This air is filling inside the balloon and makes it inflated, right? It is expanding, occupying more space. It is expanding. So it is going inside the balloon and filling up the space, taking up the space. While there, where there was cold water, chilled water, there is no space, there is no air, right? It is not going anywhere, it is there only. ठीक है, क्योंकि जो चीज ठंडी है वो वहीं की वहीं पड़ी है. Okay, no air is coming out, it is not going inside, it is not getting expanded. Okay, so ये inflate नहीं हुआ, it is deflated. So we have proved this also. Air expands on heating and contracts on cooling, right? एक और एग्जाम्पल दे सकती हूँ. You must have seen your mothers making chapati at home. When she put the chapati on the tawa, hot tawa, right, hot pan, what happened? वो चपाती आपकी फूल जाती है. The air when it is heated, जो हवा थी जब वो गर्म हुई, it expands. वो बढ़ गई तभी चपाती फूल गई, और एकदम से बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपैंड होने के बाद वो फट भी जाती है, राइट. और अगर तवा, यही आप घर पे आज करके देखना, अगर आपका तवा जो है, पैन है, वो ठंडा हो, हॉट ना हो, तो आपकी चपाती कभी भी इन्फ्लेट नहीं करती. इन द सेम वे आपके टायर्स की ट्यूब्स, यू हैव टू फिल द एयर इनसाइड इट, राइट. यू फिल द एयर, right amount of air, but if you fill more amount of air, what will happen? वो ट्यूब फट जाती है. अगर आप जरूरत से ज्यादा उसमें एयर फिल कर देते हो वो फट जाती है. Why? Because, yes Ananya, right. Why? Because air when it is filled more it expands. Expand करेगी तो उसको जगह ज्यादा चाहिए बढ़ने के लिए. Then it will tear up, right? Then it will burst. Okay? इसी तरह चपाती में होता है. Right Punya? Balloon also burst in this way. It means air expand on heating and contract on cooling. Is this clear to all? Now बच्चे, इसके बाद these two properties are clear to you? एक और करके दे सकती हूं मैं आपको. एक और एक्टिविटी है. I have taken this paper bags, right? These paper bags I have taken. Now I am taking the candle. Just wait, just wait. मैं ये करके देखती हूँ अगर हो जाए आगे आके. This is a candle. I am going to blow it. This candle is burning. Oh, बुझ गई. Just wait. I hope you can see this. It is burning. मैं इसको यहीं पे रखूंगी because otherwise होगा नहीं. Now these are paper bags. You can do at your home also, but do it in the supervision of adults. मैंने क्या करना है? ये इसका मतलब ये balanced है. You can see it is balanced. It is balanced ना? दोनों का weight balance है. If you remember third fourth में we did कि जिसका weight कम हो वो चीज नीचे को आ जाती है, जिसका weight ज्यादा हो वो ऊपर को चली जाती है. जिसका वेट कम हो वो चीज ऊपर को चली जाती है, जिसका ज्यादा हो वो चीज नीचे को आ जाती है. इन दिस बैलेंस. सो हियर इट इज बैलेंस्ड. दोनों में मैंने पेपर बैग्स लिए हैं. दिस इज बैलेंस्ड. सो मैं एक पेपर बैग को ये कैंडल के ऊपर रख देती हूँ, थोड़ा सा ऊपर, राइट? सो व्हाट विल हैपन? सिर्फ एक पेपर बैग को रखा है, दूसरा दूर है. दिखेगा नहीं क्योंकि मैं बहुत दूर रख रही हूं इसको. यस, ये देखो ये ऊपर को आ रहा है अपने आप. वाई? ये क्यों आ रहा है ऊपर को? अनबैलेंस हो गया मेरा. दिस गोज अप और वो नीचे को जा रहा है. वाई? क्योंकि मैंने टेबल रखा हुआ है इसलिए यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू सी. कैंडल को हाथ में नहीं पकड़ूंगी मैं. यू कैन सी दिस. दिस इज अनबैलेंस्ड. यस अनवे, क्या हो रहा है? होप यू हैव सीन इट. व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन? जस्ट वेट. नो हार्दिक, लाइट का इसमें कोई रोल नहीं है. व्हाट हैपन व्हेन आई प्लेस्ड कैंडल अंडर वन पेपर बैग? On the other paper bag, I didn't place anything. I was just holding the balance. So what happened? The air around it, it gets warmed up. Warm air gets lighter and lighter air rises up. So उस वजह से वो क्या हो रहा था, उसके अंदर जो एयर थी वो वार्म हो गई थी. It becomes lighter, right? And it was rising up. वो लाइट हो गया और वो ऊपर को जा रही थी. And the other, it was cold. Other paper bag, it was cold, it was going down, right? It was heavy than the other one. Is that clear? It shows air expands on heating, and when it expands it becomes lighter, right Ananya? It becomes lighter, and when air becomes lighter it rises up, right? Is that clear to all? इसका एक और है. Why do we say that smoke always rises up? Smoke हमेशा ऊपर को क्यों जाती है? धुआं, आग जलाते हो आप, धुआं हमेशा ऊपर को क्यों जाता है? Why? Because it is hot, warm. Smoke is hot, right? And warm air it becomes lighter and it rises up. Is that clear? Now बच्चे, ये जो पेपर बैग्स वाली एक्टिविटी है, you can do at home but in the presence of your parents. Is that clear? Now student, एक एप्लीकेशन है हाई, ये एप्लीकेशन है, दिस इज नॉट द प्रॉपर्टी, राइट? हाई स्पीड winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. High speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. Right? इसका क्या मतलब है? What is the meaning of this line? बच्चे, it means that whenever the speed of the wind will be high, the air pressure will decrease. The air pressure will decrease. Let me give you one example. You can again do it at your home. आपकी बुक में बहुत अच्छे से सारी एक्टिविटीज दी है. What you have to do? Take a paper, any paper, crumple it. Crumple क्या क्या मीनिंग होता है? What is the meaning of crumple? Crumple का मतलब होता है उसको ऐसे गुच्छा मुच्छा कर दो, राइट? उसकी बॉल बना लो उसमें वट वुट डाल के, राइट? क्रश, राइट तो रन्या, राइट मेथड क्रश, राइट? उसको क्रश करके उसकी बॉल बना के, छोटी सी बॉल बना के, देन पुट इट इन द बॉटल, ऊपर, सिर्फ ऊपर उसके मुंह के ऊपर डाल दो. नाउ स्टार्ट ब्लोइंग द एयर. What will happen? Will that crumpled ball go inside up to the end? No, it will not go. Why? You have to blow much air. बहुत ज्यादा आपको लगाना पड़ेगा, बहुत एयर ब्लो करनी पड़ेगी, बिकॉज एयर का प्रेशर अब कम हो गया. One more example, one more activity I can show you. I have made these balloons, right? Both have water inside it. दोनों के अंदर पानी है. You can see. You can also make it at your home. Same amount of water I have filled. Now what will happen if you start blowing the air in between these balloons? तो ये क्या होगा? What will happen? They both will come in together. दोनों एक तरफ, एक दूसरे की तरफ आएंगे. Why? Why both will come together each other? क्यों? Because when you blow high speed, air pressure is reduced. When you blow wind with high speed, air pressure is reduced and they come near to each other. एक और एग्जाम्पल है, आप करके देख सकते हो. एक स्ट्रिप लो, पेपर स्ट्रिप, ठीक है? उसको हाथ में पकड़ो, एक फिंगर और एक थंब से, एंड देन ब्लो एयर अबव इट. तो क्या होगा? इट विल ब्लो अपवर्ड्स, इट विल ब्लो डाउनवर्ड्स. व्हाट विल हैपन? विल इट ब्लो अपवर्ड्स? ये करके देखना एंड टुमारो आई विल आस्क, राइट? Now beta, any doubt to anyone? Up to this we have finished all the properties. Tomorrow we will be doing wind currents are generated due to uneven heating on earth, right? उसमें आ जाएगा आपका लैंड ब्रीज, सी ब्रीज, थोड़ा बहुत एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. देन थंडरस्टॉर्म एंड साइक्लोन्स. होपफुली कल आपका ये चैप्टर खत्म हो जाएगा, राइट? हाँ जी, प्लीज किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो यू कैन आस्क मी राइट नाउ. प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स. It's okay, Lavish. Don't bother. It's of 16 pages. Just see the topics and the work we have done. Yes, Gurnoor Kaur. हाँ जी.
मैम ये वाली जो आपने रिकॉर्डिंग किया मैम ये आप एक बार यूट्यूब चैनल पे डाल दोगे?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बेटा. It will be there. प्रबल. आदिश, I guess unmute हो गया.
मैम मैंने इन प्रॉपर्टीज की हमने एक्सप्लेनेशन करनी है ना
बिल्कुल करनी है.
एक्टिविटी के थ्रू.
Everything is given in your NCERT. और मैंने जब करवाई है तो करनी है आपको. Yes, प्रबल.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ जी, बोलिए.
मैम आई वांट टू आस्क दैट मैम जो आपने 3 वाली एक्टिविटी कराई थी मैम उसका नाम क्या है मैम एक्टिविटी का?
10 वाली एक्टिविटी air exerts pressure. To prove air exerts pressure. Right? Harmanpal Singh, you want to say something?
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Ma'am, can you please repeat that the activity which you gave to do at home? Ma'am,
All
your
the
voice was
activities-
not clear.
All the activities you can do at home, you can try at home. Right? All the activities are very simple, but in the supervision of your parents. Okay? So that any mishappening does not take place. Yes,
Okay.
Sanvi, you have to blow air in the upper direction of the strip of paper. ठीक है? जब आप उसके ऊपर क्या करोगे? Actually मैं बता देती हूँ. When you will blow the air over the strip will go upward. Why this happen? Because when you blow the air over the surface of paper, this high speed wind. Lavish, sorry, I don't have any channel. You have to watch the video from school channel, Swami Sandas Public School. Right? So students, what will happen when you blow air over the paper strip? जब आप उसके ऊपर से paper strip के ऊपर से air blow करोगे, तो this high speed wind उस area पे क्या होगा? Air pressure will reduce. Air pressure will be reduced and the air pressure from the down, it will be more and it will exert pressure upwards. Right? Is that clear? इसी तरह balloons में हुआ था. When I blow the air in the middle of the balloons, high speed was there. So what happened? There was air pressure was less because high speed is there. So the air pressure from the outer sides of the balloon was more, and they pushed the balloons towards each other. Right? Is that clear to you? Let me show you. For example, ये balloons लिए थे हमने. I am talking about air pressure. Just see this. इस साइड पे बनाती हूँ. Yes, ये हमने balloons tie किए थे with water. Water was filled inside, right? So I blow the air here. यहाँ पे मैंने air blow करी. High speed wind है, तो air pressure will be reduced. Right? When air pressure is reduced, so pressure from this side, it is more, it will exert more pressure. तो अगर यहाँ से pressure लगेगा, तो these balloons will come closer to each other. Got it? Is that clear to you? Any other doubt? Okay, Ananya, got your message. Thank you. Any other doubt to anyone? Otherwise, tomorrow we will be starting the wind currents, right? How wind currents are formed, how they are generated, why uneven heating is there on the earth. Bache, if anybody tell you what is atmospheric pressure, would you be able to answer? What do you mean by atmospheric pressure? Can you tell? Yes, Punya. Yes, Punya.
Ma'am, the pressure exerted by the air is called atmospheric pressure.
Yes, the pressure exerted by air is called atmospheric pressure. You know, air around us, air not by the weight of air, you can say, Avni, right? The air around us is known as atmospheric air or atmosphere.